Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. For coming back to always check up on me. To my old subscribers, I say thank you so much. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, or you're just coming across my video, please hit on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel today. Become one of my family members, and I promise you, you will never regret it. So guys, I'm here with another reaction video today. I'm going to be reacting to Diana, and I'm sorry that I've been reacting to only Diana. Like, I got a lot of suggestion on our videos, so I just have to, bring this out. I'm doing everything so that you guys can be happy, so I'm just reacting to her for now, but I'll be coming up with another reaction video apart from Diana. Of course I will, okay? But for now, we are going to be reacting to Diana again. Okay guys, let us go straight into the video. Wow, anytime she's come on stage, like this first tone of her voice is a bomb, guys. She's always shocking me at the first tone of her voice.
Будет зима, сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем, и меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым.
I said it before in my last video, like, there's no song that you give this girl that she cannot handle. She can go for high key, she can go for low key, any song at all you throw to her, like, she would take it and just surprise you.
Вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль.
I'm not a rusher, but I love the tone of her voice, and I love the tone of the song. Like, the melody is a song that this melody you can listen to even if you don't know the meaning of the song. Like, it's a good melody. Like, you can also dance with it. You can, feel the song also.
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым, вьюга, где.
When she's singing, guys, she always uses her emotion. With her emotion, you will know the kind of song that she's singing, even if you don't understand her language, But with the way she's acting, with her emotions, and the way she how she does her own sense and everything, you will definitely know the kind of song she's singing.
Ты засыпаешь где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо,
heart, like with her body. Music is in her soul. Like she's singing with all of, like everything in her. Like you can see like everything in her. She can sing with everything. Like this girl is born with music. I don't know. That's what I say. That is always what I use to define this kind of people.
Снова я без тебя.
Wow. Okay. Oh my god. Like when she ended the song, I was shocked because I didn't expect it to end that way. But that was a good way to end the song. That was beautiful. I was amazed. This is a beautiful performance. I love her, the way she sings and the way she's always, you know, acting also with the song. Then you can see that she's trying to demonstrate how the song is feeling, how she, like to demonstrate the kind of song, and with her emotion, you know what kind of song she's singing. She's always flowing, like she's always she gives herself to the song to, you know, to I don't know how to explain this. Like I don't know how to say it, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. It's so difficult for me to explain what I'm feeling right now, but I hope you guys know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. And if you are still here to this time, you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel today. And do not forget to like, comment, and share also. Thank you so much for watching. See you at my next video, guys. For now, bye.